I came to Delhi, from Delhi to Mumbai almost exactly 20 years ago, 2004. And one of the best things happened to me was getting introduced to this wonderful organization called Bombay Eye Institute. And I've been the beneficiary of this wonderful hospital cum clinic. Me and my wife for the last 20 years. This clinic has world-class equipment, outstanding technical staff, and really amazing which organized. I mean, it's very, very efficient in terms of you don't waste any time. It's like a clockwork precision. Things are worked out for very successful it. And finally, the Dhanvantari, Dr. Kothari meets and he really examines each and every patient with same kind of diligence and professionalism. And I got my, not with routine, I work, but both me and my wife had gotten our surgeries here, eye surgery. And it's truly, truly remarkable hospital, eye hospital institution.